Okay, so here we are going to discuss about the mechanism in planaria. As in last video we have discussed about the planaria, so let's see the mechanism. So yeah, here first of all what we have basically, like you can see this is pharynx. Okay, so here the pharynx, and here the pharynx layer is this, which is known as pharyngeal sac. Inside that here we have pharynx, which is irreversible, means it has the ability to move it out and move inside. Okay, now here we have some cells are present. So these cells are basically known as glandular cells, which reads the enzyme that is protease. Okay, so now after that here we have, now let me tell you whole mechanism. First, the planaria, here we have in the intestine. Here you can see, and we have one anterior and two lateral. Okay, so here we have further branches, those are cica. So now here you can see like that. First of all, with the help of pharynx, the planaria will take this pharynx out. Let me write here, take pharynx out. Okay, so then this planaria have basically the sticky substance or stick. So whenever the prey came, the shikar या prey came, so what the planaria will remove their pharynx out, because in the pharynx it has sticky substance, so that prey will stick with mucus of planaria. Okay, then when it will stick with the mucus of planaria, after that it will intake the food. So now here this is known as egestion. Okay, so now when food is inside, so here in the, like we can say, intestine or cavity it has, so in that basically in the intestine, so breakdown will happen with the help of enzymes. So those enzymes are like we can say protease, lipase. Here amylase is also present, however amylase was absent in hydra. And here the breakdown, the main muscles will help, which will arise from the epidermis, which I told in the previous video, so that are longitudinal and circular muscles. Which help in stretching the body, but the enzymes will help in the digestion of food. So that digestion basically, that will be the mechanical digestion, and happen in extracellular, happen in cavity. Mechanical happen in cavity by the help of muscles or enzymes. muscles. Okay, by the help of muscles, you can say longitudinal and circular muscles. So here, what extracellular digestion is done, and that is incomplete. Okay, so now here you can see after extracellular digestion, still some remaining particles are left. So that particles will be going in the intracellular, sorry, inside the cell, inside the cell or intracellular. Okay, so inside the cell, basically that the digestion again take place by these enzymes. Here these enzymes will not work at here muscles will work at, while in the intracellular enzymes work at like protease, lipase, amylase. These enzymes work at and make it even in the smaller pieces. After that, with the okay, so in the inside the cell, with the help of chemicals like these digestion again will happen in the smaller pieces. After that, with the help of Zika, which here these are present. So with the help of that nutrition which the cell take, with the nutrients which the cell take from the food, so that will be distributed and all around. Okay, so when these will be distributed, so now let me tell you here what digestion done. Intracellular also included. Here now what we have, assimilation. So now that all nutrients will be distributed all around the world, some will go to the cell, some inside the cell, outside each and every. Okay, so now let me tell you about the absorption. That will be distributed and the help in basically the reproduction and let me write here, help in reproduction, another we can say growth, mostly in metabolic activities. Okay, that was assimilation. Now here we have absorption. So the remaining particles which are left, so that with the nutrients and many other substances which were essential for the planaria, so that will be absorbed by some cells or tissues. After that, again from the ceca, the undigested particles, like here we have the ceca. Okay, from these again the undigested food will be going through the cavity of planaria cavity, and in planaria cavity there is a mouth, so with the mouth the egestion will happen. So this was whole process how it was done. So maybe this is clear to you, all mechanism of planaria. Hopefully you get something new. Bye bye.